Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyotihealing. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, this is a channel to find cure, solutions or action plan to our day-to-day problems and issues based on astrology knowledge. In today's video, we are going to see placement of Mars in the sign of Pisces. So if you have Mangal or Mars placed in Meena Rashi or Pisces sign either in D1 or D9, this video is for you. To those of you who are new to astrology, Mars is a Karaka of action. It is Karaka of siblings, brothers. It is about your muscles, physical strength. It is about real estate and properties as well as vehicles. Whenever this Mars goes into the sign of Pisces, usually the planet that is about action, aggression, anger or some activity in the forward direction is in a way confused. Pisces is a sign of mutually opposite things. Pisces is a sign of spirituality. Pisces is a sign of wandering, but it is not at all about war. It is not about anger. So Mars in Pisces is a great placement for someone who has full control over their anger or physical body or use of muscles. Even though it is difficult to believe, Mars does really well in the sign of Pisces. And the reason being, Mars gets really well with the ruler of Pisces, that is Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter usually can work very well in order to carry out any plan. So Mars focuses its energy on the portfolio of Pisces Rashi, Meen Rashi. And what is it? Mars placed in the Pisces tries to act on intuitive things. It is about intuition, dreaming, wandering. It is about spirituality. Mars will always focus itself on finding solution, taking action, doing forward movement related to these things. You can find Hatha Yogi with this. You can find somebody who owns yoga studio. You can find somebody who owns a dance studio. You can find somebody who is really good at performing martial arts, because Pisces is also related to your feet, and hence we can find a great dancer, great martial artist, or somebody who is dealing with issues of feet. Depending on the nakshatra of Mars, depending on the aspects and conjunctions of this Mars and the house placement, results can vary, but this Mars is definitely capable of giving you good results if you are into meditation, relaxation, religious activities, any kind of institutionalized activity. Mars is really good here. If you want to know if you have Mars in the sign of Pisces, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com and I'll be more than happy to do a horoscope reading for you. Mars in the sign of Pisces is great for donations. So you can find somebody who is working for non-profit organization, who is volunteering for charitable organization. This Mars can make one a therapist who deals with dreams. Basically, this Mars acts in a way like Jupiter and Ketu. This is not about earning things for himself only, but it is about making sure that they are working for the humanity. Mars being a malefic planet, its placement in the Dusthana houses 6th, 8th and 12th is still favorable, because malefics will usually do really great in these Dusthana houses. Mars in 6th can be a great sports person. It can be somebody who can aggressively deal with lending, mortgage industry or medical industry, healthcare. We can find sometimes a lawyer with this placement depending on the position of Saturn and Buddha. Mars placed in the sign of Pisces in the 8th house can be somebody who enjoys swimming. They could be good at swimming, snorkeling, they could be good at going and finding things at the bottom of the ocean. They could be really good in research. Mars is about your action. You tell this planet to take the action and they would take it. There is just difference between Mars placed in Aries or Scorpio and Mars placed in Pisces, and that is these people might take some more time. These people might take some confusion in the beginning and then they will figure out things. But Mars in Pisces will definitely not somebody who will get angry. They are exactly opposite. So never confuse this Mars with Mars in Aries or Mars in Scorpio or Mars placed in any other fire signs. The sign of Pisces has 3 nakshatras. They are Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra and Revati, out of which Purvabhadra is owned by Jupiter, Uttarabhadra is owned by Saturn and Revati is owned by Mercury. Placement of Mars in these nakshatras will give the outcome dependent on the where Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury are placed in the horoscope respectively. And hence all the possibilities that we mentioned can be seen as far as professions go, as far as their activities go. You can find the sportsman, you can find the healer, you can find yoga specialist, you can find surgeon, you can find somebody who is into oceanography or somebody is into snorkeling. Somebody could be into oil industry as well, because this Mars can deal with depth of the seas. And when I see the depth, this Mars is capable of having 2 types of depth. Depth about spirituality and actual depth of things in research or in going deep into something. Please hit the like button. Please share this video with somebody who is interested in astrology, and please subscribe to this channel to know more about such interesting things in astrology. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Namaste. Thank you. Shubham Bhavatu.